A bright home feels welcoming the moment you step inside. Natural light has the power to transform a room, making it appear larger, cleaner, and more comfortable. While lighting fixtures help after sunset, nothing compares to the warmth and openness created by daylight. That's where picture windows truly shine. For homeowners in Washington, picture windows are a stylish and practical way to create brighter, more inviting interiors while enhancing the overall feel of the home. Maximizing natural light with expansive glassed picture windows are designed with large, unobstructed panes of glass. Unlike operable windows with multiple sashes or heavy framing, picture windows focus on maximizing the viewing area. In Washington homes, this expansive glass surface allows sunlight to pour into living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms throughout the day. The increased daylight instantly makes interiors feel more open and vibrant, creating a sense of spaciousness. Light and space go hand in hand. When natural light spreads evenly across a room, it reduces shadows and dark corners. Picture windows in Washington residences help eliminate that closed-in feeling, especially in smaller spaces. The result is a room that feels larger and more breathable without changing its physical size. Enhancing interior design elements, natural light highlights textures, colors, and architectural details. Picture windows in Washington homes allow daylight to accent hardwood floors, decorative trim, and carefully chosen furniture. The sunlight enhances the visual warmth of interior spaces, making design features stand out beautifully. Framing outdoor views. A picture window does more than brighten a room, it frames the outdoors like artwork. For Washington homeowners, a well-placed picture window turns gardens, yards, or tree-lined streets into part of the interior decor. The connection to the outside creates a calming, inviting atmosphere that enhances daily living. Supporting energy efficiency. Brightness doesn't have to mean discomfort. Modern picture windows available in Washington are built with energy-efficient glass designed to help manage indoor temperatures. This means homeowners can enjoy abundant natural light while maintaining comfort throughout the year. Complementing open-concept layouts. Many Washington homes feature open-concept living areas. Picture windows amplify this design style by allowing light to flow freely across connected spaces. Sunlight entering through one large window can brighten multiple areas at once, reinforcing the sense of openness. Reducing reliance on artificial lighting. Increased daylight can help reduce the need for interior lights during the day. Washington homeowners often appreciate how picture windows create naturally lit environments, making daily activities feel more enjoyable without constantly turning on overhead fixtures. A clean, modern aesthetic. Picture windows offer a sleek, minimal design. With fewer frame interruptions, they create a clean visual look that complements both modern and traditional Washington homes. Their simplicity enhances curb appeal while supporting a bright interior environment. Boosting overall home appeal. Bright homes tend to feel more welcoming to both residents and guests. In Washington neighborhoods, homes with well-placed picture windows stand out for their airy, inviting interiors. The added natural light contributes to a positive first impression. A smart investment in comfort and style. Creating a brighter home doesn't require a full renovation. Sometimes the right window upgrade makes all the difference. For homeowners in Washington, picture windows offer a powerful combination of natural light, visual elegance, and energy-conscious performance. By framing outdoor views and flooding interiors with daylight, they transform ordinary rooms into warm, welcoming spaces that feel both spacious and inviting year-round.